Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim.
Assalamu alaikum. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to clear Google Chrome cache without deleting history or saved passwords easily on your laptop PC. But before watching this video tutorial, please subscribe on Videos channel for getting more videos. Let's move on to the laptop screen. Click the three dots at the right top. Hover over arrow down. Now click Settings. On the left side, click Privacy and Security. Now click Delete Browsing Data. Select All Times. However, you can select other options available. Now check cached images and files while uncheck all other options. Finally, click Delete from this device. In this way, you can successfully clear Google Chrome cache without deleting history or saved passwords. Please subscribe on Videos YouTube channel and thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.